Getting started as a creator on YouTube can be pretty overwhelming, and many of you are probably wondering what the best way to use your channel to make money might be. Earning money through ad revenue is one of the most popular ways that YouTubers make substantial amounts of cash. But before deciding to monetize your channel in that way, you'd have to think about what the highest CPM niches on YouTube are right now. Here's a list to help you out. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 10. Social media marketing. CPM stands for cost per 1,000 ad views and is important because this is the money that advertisers will pay to show their ads on your YouTube videos. Different niches will have different CPMs. It all depends on the keywords you're able to use in your videos. Certain keywords, when typed into Google or YouTube, are more valuable than others due to their popularity among consumers. The more popular the keyword, the more valuable they are to advertisers. Choosing a niche like social media marketing will allow the use of keywords, which is seen as valuable to advertisers. This will bring your channel a high CPM. If you're creating content that mentions the word social media app or social media sites, then advertisers will be flocking to your channel to display their services. This results in these keywords having a high bidding rate among advertisers, meaning that they'll pay you more to show their products in your videos. A lot of entrepreneurs and talented people are looking to promote themselves and their creations through social media these days. These people tend to use Google and YouTube to find out how to do that, so that's why this niche has lots of potential for the use of popular keywords related to it. This will result in your channel having a high CPM. So, if you know a thing or two about social media marketing, choose this niche and look into the keywords you can utilize in videos centered around that topic. The income it will bring will not disappoint. Number 9. Tech. Channels that review, rank, or keep people up to date on tech have great chances of gaining a high CPM. This niche is popular among viewers who enjoy knowing about the latest tech and are interested in buying the best models of their favorite tech brands. The tech industry is also growing and changing. People are constantly looking for the best tech online, so it's no surprise that keywords related to tech are valuable to advertisers. Channels such as Luke Miani have gotten a high CPM on their channel because of the opportunities to utilize keywords with high advertising competition. Gadgets and tech will always be a relevant market to consumers of all different ages, so advertising their products within a video that uses the relevant keywords for this market is something that many advertisers would want to do. Number 8. Gaming. Many are aware of the expansion of the gaming community in recent times. More people are taking an interest in video games, and the likelihood of earning an income through gaming is much higher than it was in the past. The keyword games has amassed a search volume of 37 million on Google, so it's no surprise that advertisers are interested in letting gaming channels show off what they have to offer. Channels like Goshen Games have a record of a pretty good CPM for just being in the gaming niche. What's great about this niche, as well as that it can be quite fun to create videos with this content and recommendations of games to play, are comments from viewers, so you won't have to worry much about getting ideas for videos. Number 7. Online business. These days, it feels like everybody wants to start their own online business. People are tired of getting up to sit in an office from 9 to 5 for most of their days out of the week. The current pandemic has also made it clear that not all jobs are stable. Because of this, people have been trying to find ways on how to start their own business online. So, of course, this has led to an increase in popularity of the keywords related to businesses online. Naturally, if your channel is based on this, you'll be using phrases like money and business plan in your video title, description, and throughout your video as well. Roberto Blake's channel is a popular one that shows people how to make money online, and he has a very notable CPM for doing this. His cost per 1,000 ad views can be up to $22.67, which is a lot compared to the average YouTuber. Starting up a channel within this niche can open up an opportunity to have a high CPM for yourself as well. Just think about it and get to researching. Number 6. Cars. A channel dedicated to discussing cars also has great potential for generating a high CPM. The car market changes and expands just as much as the tech market does, and just like there are people highly interested in purchasing tech and various electronics, there are people out there who love cars and may even be able to afford to collect them. Some people prefer to admire and dream from afar, but it doesn't change the fact that this is a big market. Because of the vastness of the market for cars, the opportunity to use keywords that are valuable to advertisers is huge as well. Words like mechanic and auto have quite a high search volume, and YouTube channels such as Autovlog are able to gain a substantial CPM because of that. So, if you have an interest in cars, setting up a channel about them might be a great idea for you. Number 5. Fitness. The health industry has only become more and more marketable with the coming of the online age. There are countless people around who are interested in losing weight, and even more who are drawn to the idea of having a toned body with visible muscles. You don't have to look too far to find someone who takes going to the gym regularly very seriously. That's why making a channel about bodybuilding, how to keep fit, or simply about staying healthy will have advertisers rushing to have their products shown on your channel. It may even open some doors to regularly advertise healthcare supplies, as that's something your viewers would be interested in. The niche of weight loss for advertisers can bid as high as $9.98, so it's worth a shot to start a fitness channel to get your CPM somewhere around that number. Number 4. Cooking. Starting a cooking channel is also a good idea if you're looking for a niche to get you a high CPM. There are tons of people interested in learning how to cook and watching others eat. The word food has a pretty high search volume online as well. Many aren't only interested in having someone teach them to prepare a meal, but also in watching that meal be consumed. Your cooking channel can occasionally create ASMR videos where you eat what you've made close to your mic. ASMR channels are also known for having a good CPM, but it would be wise to stick to showing people how to prepare certain recipes and to make ASMR content a sometimes thing on your channel. Number 3. Lifestyle. YouTubers like Shelby Church and Amanda Monroe have been able to gain a high CPM through their channels by making content that features themselves trying different things, giving advice, or just living their lives daily. But the fact that their videos can be about anything opens up the possibility of using loads of valuable keywords for various things. That means that they have the potential to advertise even out of their niche, since their topics of their videos can be so versatile. The average CPM of the lifestyle niche is around $3.47, which is pretty good in comparison to niches with low ad potential. Number 2. Investing. YouTube channel niches about money seem to be the ones with the highest CPMs on the platform. This is because money has been proven to be one of the most important assets in today's world. So it's no surprise that people are always trying to find ways to increase what's in their pockets. Investing and finance in general would be a great niche to focus on for your channel, for the reasons mentioned earlier. To invest basically means to put money into something with the hope of making a profit off that thing later. Typically, those who have a fine amount of money to begin with will be the ones looking for ways of investing that cash. It's very common for people to do this, especially in the world of real estate, so you'd be sure to make use of valuable keywords in your videos when posting in this niche. The niche Invest already has a bid as high as $6.74 in the world of advertisers, so that's self-explanatory as to what going into this niche can do for the CPM of your channel. Before we get to number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit subscribe for more valuable content. Number 1. Make money online. Here's yet another niche idea that involves money. This sort of channel is very similar to the online business category mentioned earlier. Once again, the desire to make cash through the internet is quite high these days, hence the value behind keywords relating to this topic. Additionally, the niche of personal finance, which can be seen as a relative to this topic, can be bid up to $6.97 by advertisers. So try to include words related to this as well when creating your videos on this topic. It's been found that creators in this niche like Roberto Blake, Jillian Perkins, and Odie Productions have an average CPM of $13.52. Clearly, this is a good niche to look into. In doing your research for your videos, you can also find ways to increase the money in your pocket through online means as well. So that's a bonus for this niche. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one. See you there.